Welcome to Kaplan in Singapore, where education meets engagement and enrichment. At Kaplan in Singapore, we prepare you for your future with our comprehensive career services. From discovering your work interests to supercharging your career options, our dedicated career services teams provides the tools and support you need to graduate industry ready. With exclusive access to our career fairs, industry visits and networking events, as a Kaplan student, you would have the opportunity to connect with top employers and industry leaders who are mentors. What's more, our strong industry partnership means you get hands-on experience through work exposures and real-world projects that would make you stand out in the job market. Beyond academics, our Student Affairs team manages over 15 student clubs and more than 200 activities each year, from cultural, music, recreation, wellness, and sports, for you to explore your passions, develop essential skills, and build lifelong friendships. You can unleash your leadership potential through the Kaplan Student Leadership Program with our rigorous 6 months training that prepares you to become a certified student leader. You can also have a taste of impactful action through our corporate social responsibility efforts, volunteer through the Hero Club, and contribute to meaningful causes while enhancing your personal growth and having fun. At Kaplan in Singapore, we don't just prepare you for your graduation, we prepare you for a journey of lifelong success. Build a future of possibilities. Start from an industry-relevant diploma with Kaplan.